Public Engagement and Equity Update, Grants and Scholarships Available, Part 1. On December 1st, Governor Tim Walz proclaimed Minnesota AIDS Day to raise awareness about the disease and the stigmas sometimes associated with it. It was a day dedicated to remembering those who were lost too soon and reflecting on the progress that has been made. The governor also proclaimed December 3rd as Day of Persons with Disabilities in Minnesota in recognition of the 32nd anniversary of the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the ADA. Minnesota acknowledges that people with disabilities have been discriminated against and recognizes the progress that has been made because of the advocacy of people with disabilities. As we announced last week, the governor's office is hiring a public engagement liaison to work with Asian American Pacific Islander, or AAPI, and LGBTQIA+ communities. The position closes on Tuesday, December 13th. The Department of Economic Employment Development, or DEED, is also hiring an assistant commissioner for the Office of Immigration and Refugee Affairs. Applications are due on Monday, December 12th. And I encourage you to share these positions with your networks. CMAH Post-Election Conference on Black Policy Outlook. Join the Council for Minnesotans of African Heritage, or CMAH, for Growing Our Gifts, a post-election conference on Black Policy Outlook. The online discussion will focus on priorities and policy issues for the African heritage community. CMAH recognizes the hard work and incredible resilience of Black people and other disadvantaged groups in Minnesota amidst the pandemic and post-pandemic economic and geopolitical crises. The Growing Our Gifts conference will focus on post-election policy outlook across 3 areas of growth within Black Minnesota: economic security, education equity, health, housing, and social support systems. This event will take place on Tuesday, December 6th from 4 to 7:30 p.m. The deadline has been extended for the Metropolitan Council application. The deadline is now Friday, December 9th. The application is for those hoping to serve as members of the Metropolitan Council has been extended. Applications are now due by 4 p.m. Friday, December 9th. The Met Council is the regional planning agency for the 7-county metropolitan area. The Met Council operates the regional bus and rail system, collects and treats wastewater, coordinates regional water resources, plans regional parks, and administers funds that provide housing opportunities for low to moderate income individuals and families. MDA seeks feedback on the local food purchase assistance program. The deadline for that is Monday, December 12th. The Minnesota Department of Agriculture, or MDA, is looking for public input on a draft application for the Minnesota Local Food Purchase Assistance Program, or LFPA. Provide feedback by joining one of our 4 virtual input sessions or through the online form until Monday, December 12th. Feedback shared during this process will inform the final application process for this competitive grant program, which is expected to be released in the winter of 2023. Feedback is welcome from potential applicants to the program, along with others who are interested in community food systems, including farmers, food hubs, economic development agencies, and hunger relief networks. The public input sessions will be held at the following times using Zoom. The same information will be presented at each of the sessions. Wednesday, December 7th, from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., or Thursday, December 8th, from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Health insurance options for self-employed Minnesotans. The deadline is Thursday, December 15th. Health insurance can be complicated, especially if you're self-employed or a small business owner. MNsure is here to help. MNsure is the only place that you can receive tax credits to save on your premiums. Expanded tax credits are available for more Minnesotans, including those with higher incomes. Check out the resources on MNsure's website, including guidance on estimating income and what to do if your circumstances change. To have coverage that starts on Sunday, January 1st of 2023, you must enroll by Thursday, December 15th. Open enrollment goes through January 15th of 2023. A new grant for Minnesota high schools to purchase nursing equipment. The deadline is December 16th. As part of the Next Generation Nursing Assistant Initiative, a new grant is currently available for Minnesota high schools to purchase up to $5,000 in nurse aid training equipment to support their in-school programs. Minnesota school districts with approved nursing assistant programs are eligible to apply. The deadline for proposals is Friday, December 16th, and the equipment must be purchased and received by Wednesday, February 8th of 2023.